Hello everybody. So I am the Black Virgin of Maximilian Muss, and I farted. Dab dance.
Dab dance. Barbie.
Like this video, guys.